Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I actually just got home from BJ's. I just had to pick up a few things. This haul was like 130 bucks, and there'll be another haul after this, but I just thought I would just kind of include this stuff in this haul. Kind of like a summer, like midweek little stock up of things we needed. So I got this huge 40 pack of Capri Sun, the Roaring Waters, which is the clear one, and it's the 50% less sugar one. So there's 10 grape, 10 kiwi strawberry, 10 tropical tide, and 10 wild cherry. I drink these sometimes. I put them in my husband's lunches. I'll give one to Grady to take to summer camp. So I just was tired of buying the smaller ones all the time, so I got this one, and it did have a coupon, so it ended up being a good deal. I got a huge thing of the Pringles, the individual cups, and this was a good deal as well. And Grady likes these, we all like these, and they're just great to pop in your beach bag or Matt's lunches, that kind of thing. I got some of the Stonyfield strawberry smoothies for Grady. He likes to have one of these in the morning. A box of Goldfish individual packs that we take on the go all the time. I got a big, huge rack of Kansas City barbecue ribs because Wednesday is the 4th of July. We actually are going to have a few people over unexpectedly. For a moment I thought maybe we wouldn't, but it turns out we are, so I got these to add to the rest of the food, to throw these on the grill. I got a bag of zucchini. There's quite a few in here. I think there's like 6 large zucchini in here. And I've been making zucchini spiral or zucchini noodles lately, so I thought I would get these. Of course I got these because my husband is obsessed with them. The Volpe Roltini mozzarella and prosciutto sticks. He loves those, so I get them every time I go. I got Grady some yogurt pouches by Stonyfield, so there's 4 strawberry and 4 blueberry in here. I got a thing of 8-pack of tuna because my husband likes tuna sandwiches, and I'm also going to make a huge portion, a big bowl of tuna macaroni salad for the 4th of July, so I'll need to use a couple of those for that. I got these Go-Go Squeeze fruit and veggie pouches. These are the 8 berry boulder and 8 peach petal pouches. Good deal on these as well. Our favorite creamer, or at least mine, it's the Natural Bliss sweet cream coffee creamer that we've been using for a few months now. We really like it. I got a big bag of the Duke's smoked sausages. I think this is like double the size of the normal one I get, and it was about like $9 or $10, so it was a little bit more cost effective. This is my favorite like frozen dinner from BJ's. I discovered it a few months ago. I talked about it on a recent What's for Dinner video. I got it kind of for one of those rainy days when you just need something to whip together. And I really highly recommend this for anybody that likes to keep kind of convenience things like this for a rainy day in their freezer, so I grabbed that. I got this 2-pack of large chicken Caesar salads. These are pretty big. Actually, I might eat one today because my son, like I mentioned, he's in summer camp. It's a half day, so he's home at about noon, and when he gets home, he's ready to rock, and I usually have a game plan for us. So I'm probably going to grab one of these today because I think we're going to go to the beach, and I just want something quick that's healthy-ish, that I can throw right in the cooler. So I grabbed these. It was like $5, I think, for 2 large salads. And then I got a big bag of regular Doritos and a big bag of Cool Ranch to throw out, to throw into like a big bowl for the 4th when we have people over, and we also like Doritos anyway. So yeah, 130 bucks, and I'll share with you guys my regular grocery haul as well. Hey guys, back with small haul number 2. Turns out it's gonna be a few small hauls this week. We're in a heat wave. Grady just started camp. I'm coming off of a couple weeks of him being home, so I'm kind of been like just keeping my head afloat this week with getting things done because I scheduled like doctor's appointments and car repairs and car maintenance. So I've been trying to squeeze everything in just a few hours every morning. So here is the second small haul of the week. This is from Walmart. I got a like a mini watermelon that I'm gonna cut up for tomorrow. I'm filming this July 3rd, so I'm gonna cut this up for 4th of July tomorrow. We ran out of mayo because I made a mac salad this morning for tomorrow, so I had to get another mayo. I decided to try the olive oil mayo by Hellmann's. I got a double thing of raspberries. My son loves these, and I'm gonna put some out tomorrow for the 4th. I got Grady's lower sugar chocolate granola bars, or yeah, chocolate chip. I got some maple brown sugar frosted mini wheats for Matt to have in the morning. I also like to snack on these dry. It's very strange, but I've never been a cereal with milk person. So I like to snack on dry cereal, and I actually like these. I forgot to pick up the Annie's fruit snacks at BJ's yesterday, so I got these instead. It's the Mott's assorted fruit, real fruit and veggie fruit snacks. They were super cheap too. They were like $3.50 for a 22 pack. I grabbed some of the Jif Power Up bars. I got these from Matt a couple weeks ago in the salted caramel, and he loved them, so I decided to try another flavor. This is the strawberry and peanut butter, so kind of like a PBJ granola bar. I think they're going to be really good. I got some tricolor rotini because, like I mentioned, I made a mac salad earlier, so I used my last box of this. So I got run to restock the cabinet. I also got some elbows that I needed, got some cat food. My cat's been eating like 1 to 2 of these per day, so I got another one of them for her. The Parents' Choice wipes are amazing. I am a huge wipe person in general. I always have wipes on me, whether it's in my handbag, in my beach bag, in my car. I always have them with me, or you know, nearby. And these are the sensitive ones. They're pretty much fragrance free. They really don't have much of a scent, but I like these in particular because they are quilted, and they're just really good, super cheap. You get 216 wipes in this 3-pack between the 3 of them, and it was like under $5. I think it was like $4.50 or something, but guys, you need to try the Parents' Choice wipes. If you haven't before, they are really, really good, high quality wipes and a really good price. And they're, in my opinion, they're better than the name brand ones, the Parents' Choice ones. There's all different scents. They are all plant-based. They're 99% water. They're just so good. I could make a whole video about the Walmart wipes. They're that good, trust me. And lastly, I got some cinnamon raisin English muffin since my husband has off work tomorrow. Grady has off camp tomorrow. So it's a little bit of a crazy week once again. But anyways, I'm sure I'll have another haul after this, so just keep on watching. Alright guys, last haul for the week. This is from Price Chopper, which is like a Northeast grocery chain, I believe. They also own Market 33. Or is it Market 32? I don't know, but we have Price Chopper here. This was like $35, I believe. I want to talk about this bread because this is like literally the best bread ever that I've tried. Meaning a non-bakery, obviously, or like a homemade bread. But like bread that you can buy in a bag like this, like in the bread aisle. This is the best one I've tried. It's the Nature's Own, perfectly crafted. This one is the thick sliced white. Last time I tried the thick sliced multigrain, it was amazing. I think I ate the whole loaf in like 2 days. Well, me and my family and I, but decided to try the same thing in the white. Grady was not a fan of the multigrain because he doesn't like the little seeds in the bread, but I think he'll really like this because lately he's been like on a peanut butter and jelly kick when he gets home from camp. But anyways, if you see this bread while you're out shopping this weekend, grab it. Trust me, whether you get the white or the multigrain, you need to try it. It is so delicious. It, to me, tastes like the closest thing to like your grandma or your mom baked it. It is that good. So I'm going to continue to buy this. You probably will be seeing a lot of this or the multigrain one going forward because it is that good. I also got some original flavored naan bread because we're gonna do some naan bread pizzas on the grill. We used to do those all the time and we kind of forgot about it, but I have a video on my favorite grilling recipes. I'll link that down below, and this is one of the recipes in that video. We made naan pizzas in that video on the grill. Really, really good, really light, something different. So we're gonna do that one night. I got a bag of yellow onions just for cooking, recipes, things like that. We needed them. I got a couple bags of the cinnamon apple chips by Seneca. These are such a good sweet treat fix if you have a little sweet tooth. That's a little bit more healthy than like candy or cookies, so I grabbed those. Got got some ginger ale for Matt. I got a container here of just table salt because we're out. I got some yogurt for Grady in the strawberry and blueberry. I got a jar of salsa verde because I'm going to try making white chicken chili enchiladas. So I'm going to use that for that recipe. I got some hot Italian sausage and then some sweet Italian sausage. We eat sausage literally every week, pretty much in this house. Whether we grill it or roast it or I cut it up and put it in some kind of pasta dish. We always have like a sausage dish once a week. So again, I got sweet and hot. I got some beautiful center cut pork loin chops, boneless, and they are buy one get one. So I got 6 chops for about $6.50, give or take. And these are nice, beautiful, really good, ready to go chops. But this is everything I got from Price Chopper. I'm going to show you guys my meal plan, and I hope you all have a great weekend. Okay guys, so my meal plan for Sunday the 8th through Saturday the 14th. I did write in the days of the week, but that doesn't necessarily mean I will make this on Sunday, that on Monday, etc. I just kind of did it. Sometimes I just write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just wanted to note that because I do it a little bit different each time. So one night we're going to do the non-bread pizzas on the grill. Like I mentioned, I do have a video on this, so I will link that below in the description box. I will just make a simple salad with that on the side, and then I really like having fresh fruit as a side dish in the summer. I know that's not everybody's cup of tea to have something sweet, but I don't know why, just lately I really like having like watermelon or pineapple or even just cut up like peach or something as like a side dish, something cold and refreshing with my dinner. So I'm going to do that. One night I'm going to try that new recipe. I actually found it on Pinterest. I have a ton of dinner recipes and just recipe ideas in general on my Pinterest. So feel free, if you're on Pinterest, to check me out. It's just GradysMom. I'm not even asking to follow. You can just go check out my boards because I have over 2,000 recipes pinned for just dinner recipes alone. So anyways, trying that new recipe out. I'm going to do some kind of rice, whether it's a yellow rice or just like a Spanish rice or something on the side. And then usually when I make enchiladas or tacos, I like to make put out chips and salsa or chips and guacamole or loaded nachos. So I'll probably just put out chips and salsa. One night we're going to do a good old American classic, grilled cheese and ham on that gorgeous bread that I was talking about non-stop. So I'm going to do grilled cheese and ham, and then I'll make some good old tomato soup and then just a small little dinner salad or a side salad on the side. One night I am going to film the recipe for my turkey, feta cheese, spinach patties. I showed those in a What's for Dinner video. And a lot of you guys messaged me and commented and said, please do a full video showing how to make those from start to finish. So I am going to make those again this week, not only to film them, but because they were that good. So I'm going to do those. I'll make rice or potatoes, some kind of starch on the side, and then I'll roast some veggies along with the turkey patties because I can cook the veggies along with the turkey patties so I can get both done at the same time. I'm going to do a meatless night, a real easy night. I'm going to make some zucchini noodles with my zucchini spiraler. I actually might make that Sunday, maybe. But yeah, I'm going to make some zucchini noodles with my little spiraler. I'm going to do some pierogies. They're just like cheddar cheese pierogies because I have a box to use up that have been sitting in my freezer for like a couple months and I want to use them. And I'll just make a simple side salad or have a little fruit. And that'll be a completely meatless night. Friday night, which is actually Friday the 13th, we're actually going to a casino. My husband and I and a couple of our friends, we're going to a casino here in Saratoga Springs, not too far from where we live, and Grady is going to be going with grandparents. So we're going to do a little gambling, have a little fun, some drinks, and have some dinner at the casino because there's a few restaurants there. And then one night, of course, as always, breakfast or leftovers. I kind of like to just call this like a freebie night. Oftentimes I do have breakfast. Sometimes if I have enough of whatever left over, I'll have leftovers. And sometimes I don't feel like either one, and I'll just kind of freestyle it and kind of cook whatever I want and have the opportunity again to make what I want. As always, this is a Carrie L meal planner. I love this thing. I've been using these for going on 3 years. I always have a discount code in every video down below in the description box if you want to check it out. I do have a whole playlist of grocery hauls and meal plans for like the past few years, so I will link that playlist down below. Again, have a great weekend, guys, and I will see you on my next video.